It starts with something simple, a small craving, chocolate, a sweet drink, maybe just one bite late at night. You think it's harmless, but inside your body, something incredible begins to happen. Because the moment sugar enters your bloodstream, it doesn't just affect you, it goes somewhere else, fast. Within minutes, glucose travels through your blood, crosses the placenta, and reaches your baby. And here's the part most people don't realize. Your baby feels that change almost immediately. Their tiny body reacts, their heart rate shifts, their energy levels spike. It's like flipping a switch. And then it happens. Movement, sudden, stronger, faster than before. Doctors have actually observed this during ultrasounds. Right after a mother consumes sugar, the baby becomes noticeably more active, kicking, rolling, stretching, almost like they just got a burst of energy out of nowhere. Some even describe it as a mini sugar rush. But wait, this isn't just about movement. Something deeper is happening inside their brain. Because sugar triggers a release of energy, and that energy fuels rapid neural activity. Your baby's developing brain becomes more active, more responsive, more engaged. But here's where things get a little more serious. Because while occasional sugar is completely normal, too much, too often, can start to create a different kind of effect. When blood sugar spikes frequently, your body produces more insulin. And over time, that can lead to gestational diabetes. And that doesn't just affect you, it changes your baby's environment. Higher glucose levels can lead to excessive growth, changes in metabolism, and even affect how your baby processes sugar after birth. But don't panic, because this isn't about fear, it's about awareness. Your body is incredibly intelligent, and your baby is incredibly adaptive. A small piece of chocolate? Completely fine. An occasional dessert? No problem. But understanding what happens gives you control, because now you know that every bite, every drink is a signal, a message your body sends directly to your baby. And sometimes that message is pure energy. So the next time you feel that craving and take that first bite, pause for just a second, because somewhere inside, a tiny human is reacting in real time, feeling it, moving with it, experiencing it. But here's something even more fascinating. You now know how sugar gives your baby a sudden burst of energy. But what happens when you drink your morning coffee? Does your baby get that same caffeine rush? Or is it something completely different? Because what caffeine actually does inside the womb is a biological secret most mothers never know. And the answer will completely change your morning routine. In the next video, we're going to reveal it.